What's up, ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another money making video. If this is your first time or if you're returning, consider one of these options. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Okay? This video is about a technical writer position at GitHub. GitHub is one of the biggest things online today. Okay? And in a bit, we'll show you why. Now, this is a remote work from anywhere lead. So because of the internet and modern technology, we are able to work from remote locations around the world. Now, at the time of this recording, it is 9:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's date is the 16th of February 2022. I hope Valentine's Day was good for all of you. I hope you guys got money, because that's what this channel is all about. It is indeed an entry-level position, and it is full-time. Now, at the date and time that I said, 9:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, on February 16th, 2022, this was posted 3 hours ago. So that should give you some indication of how long ago it was posted, compared to when you're watching, because this video will actually be posted on the 17th of February 2022. Okay, now let's see what the website has to offer. Like I said, GitHub has been around for quite a while, and they are into software development and stuff like that. Now, millions of developers and companies build, ship, and maintain their software on GitHub, the largest and most advanced development platform in the world. Okay, and you can see where they have their really cool graphics. And I don't know if you noticed, but as I'm doing stuff here, you can see this is me actually moving the globe around. So it's very interactive. So it gives you an idea of what they have to offer, what kind of stuff they're in. Okay. Right, so this is me spinning the world vertically down, up, left, right. Awesome. Okay, so alright, back to the lead. Now, again, you'll be a technical writer, and quickly, the mission of the GitHub Docs team is to empower developers to accomplish their goals. We're looking for a technical writer to join our well-established and expanding global documentation team. You'll report to a Docs content manager and work cooperatively with the Docs team to produce task-based, user-facing help content that's tailored to a range of audiences and published on GitHub Docs. The Docs content team is highly distributed, and we embrace an environment of asynchronous communication. You'll need strong communication skills and the ability to build working relationships with coworkers in locations around the globe. All Docs content writers should be adept communicators, able to provide reviews on the content their team members create. They must be empathetic as a writer, able to put themselves in the user's position and help solve problems before they're asked. In this role, you'll create a range of content from getting started guides to in-depth documentation on technical features. If you're a patient, compassionate writer who loves crafting content that helps people use software, we'd like to hear from you. Alright, now, responsibilities. You will create helpful, scalable documentation for people learning to use GitHub's products and tools. You'll collaborate with the product managers, technical writers, and other stakeholders to plan, create, and maintain user-facing documentation. You'll review and provide feedback for draft user-facing documentation from other writers on the team. Review and provide feedback on documentation updates from people outside of the documentation team, like support or open source contributors. So you need to, if you have open source contributors, people from the general public and so on, review their stuff and provide feedback on their documentation. Okay? Next, communicate with teams across GitHub about user feedback product direction and vision, and technical product information to inform the documentation we create. You contribute to the iteration of docs, team processes, and workflows. Okay? So, your minimum qualifications will be: you must have the ability to create high quality user facing content for software products. Must. Experience creating technical content, not just nursery rhymes and poems, which is not what they want. They want technical content. Alright? Strong user advocate, especially for new users. Ability to compassionately give and receive written, editorial, and technical feedback. You should have the strong ability to plan, prioritize, and carry out complex writing projects with high attention to detail along the way. Excellent communication skills, especially when working with a distributed team. Now, in spite of all that, you will stand out if you are familiar with Git and GitHub. If you have experience working collaboratively with a team of writers or editors, if you have experience contributing to or maintaining an open source project, if you are interested in solving hard problems collaboratively, if you are curious and comfortable working with ambiguity, if you have experience documenting a technical product from early iterations to general availability. Now here's an example of what we would expect. Month 1, you're comfortable fixing bugs and navigating the docs teams project. You've also met with folks across GitHub's product organization and have built a foundational understanding of GitHub's users and products. Month 2, you've begun tackling more complex projects already. You've begun tackling more complex projects already scoped by other members of the team. You're comfortable with content design system for GitHub Docs, and you've completed your first or second content design plan with the support of other writers and the content designers on our team. Months 3 and 4, you're beginning to research and document new feature ships with the support of other writers on the team. You're regularly reviewing contributions to GitHub Docs from other writers, other hubbers, or open source contributors. Month 5, you're noticeably more comfortable discussing GitHub's products and advocating for its users. And month 6, you're regularly picking up new work from our team's project board and volunteering to review the work of other writers. So that's the progression of what they expect your performance to be. Now, who GitHub is? GitHub is the developer company. They make it easier for developers to be developers, to work together, to solve challenging problems, and to create the world's most important technologies. We foster a collaborative community that can come together as individuals and in teams to create the future of software and make a difference in the world. Now, leadership principles, they're customer obsessed, trust by default, ship to learn, own the outcome, growth mindset, global product, global team, anything is possible, practice kindness. And those are the principles that they work and live by. At GitHub, we constantly strive to create an environment that allows our employees, called Hubbers, to do the best work of their lives. We've designed one of the coolest workspaces in San Francisco, which is where the headquarters is, where many Hubbers work, snack, and create daily. The rest of our Hubbers work remotely around the globe. Check out an updated list of where we can hire here, and they provided the link here. It's not a clickable link, but you can copy and paste, right? We are also committed to keeping Hubbers healthy, motivated, focused, and creative. We've designed our top-notch benefits program with these goals in mind. In a nutshell, we've built a place where we truly love working. We think you will too. And to apply for this role, press this here blue button. Okay? When you press that button, stuff comes up. You enter your information where it asks that stuff that comes up. Then you click submit. If there is a a captcha thing proving that you're human, prove that you're human and submit. Okay? Now, after all this, if you still want to create an online business that you can work even in your sleep, check the links in the description below. Right? Check. description links. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Around here we talk about money, various things related to money. Content is uploaded regularly, and I hope this content helps, and you can help the content by liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, engaging. Let me know what you think about stuff in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know where you're watching from. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.